Hi everyone. So this week I'm continuing on my progress for the Chromebook challenge, whereas I will be using a Chromebook for 3 months. So this is week 4, and in week 4 for my progress, so far I've explored doing gaming. And I know that Chromebooks have gotten a lot of flack for not really catering to, say, hardcore gamers out there. And, well, I do understand that. My take on it is that uh, hardcore gaming itself is kind of its own niche. I know that it's not just a Chromebook that is getting flack for this. Macs have gotten um, a flack for it. Linux has gotten the same flack for it. And the truth is though that a lot of gaming is actually being distributed out mostly to the consoles first and to mobile platforms as well. And I believe that when you go into a video game store, what you're gonna find is that any PC titles, you're only gonna see on average about 4 different titles per year that are even worth spend thousands of dollars to build these custom um, gaming PCs. So, and I call them gaming PCs because they're solely for gaming. Um, and I don't think that that is the majority at all of computing users. Computing for the average person covers a number of different things. Now, I'm not saying that I can't complete this task. What I'm saying is that um, to base a decision of I'm not going to buy this or that's something that you can't do, you can, in fact. And I can prove this. Let's take, for example, a large MMO that you can use on a Chromebook. How about RuneScape, for example? Now, it may not be Call of Duty, sure, but you can't argue with the number of people that do use it, that play it. It is one of the leading, if not the leading, uh, most played free MMO. And the fact that you can play it on a Chromebook just says that multiple people can play a multiplayer game. It's really about the servers and the amount of people and the programming in the game itself. So, as a developer, now I'm not going to say I'm a game developer by any means, but as a developer, I understand that based on what you're programming for, that you can pretty much accomplish anything on any system. And almost any well-known and used system will support gaming of some sort in some way, even if it's a simple game. Um, Even if it's whether it's you build it in Java, whether you build it in Python, if whether you build it in Perl, whether you build it in any object-oriented scripting language, you are going to be able to build something. If you know how to program, you will be able to build. Even if you can script, even scripting languages, so you can build a game obviously in HTML. Is it the best game? No, it usually isn't. Are there addictive games that you can do? Is there more games? Maybe more is better in that sense. Not always, but in some sense, maybe the fact that I'm not limited by 4 good titles each year and I can play an HD quality game on a mobile device. I'm not saying that Angry Birds is for everyone. I'm just simply saying that um, I have basically an all-you-can-eat buffet of gaming titles, and yes, I guess I'm kind of a gamer in that sense, um, as opposed to, your high-priced steak. And I don't know, to each his own on that, but I've just shot out one title that I can play, and therefore there's evidence of it, and that's true. So therefore, I would say that I'm still winning this challenge. So, continue in for week 5 and the rest of my 12-week series on my progress, and we'll see. Also, I highly suggest, though, going to my blog or Tumblr account, which you can reach through kayolhope.me. So that's KAYOLHOPE.me. You'll probably see it in one of the descriptions here. However, um, go to there, and on my page, if you go to the very bottom, you'll be able to find where you can ask me a question. And I highly suggest throwing out a task. If you are a Windows user, a Linux-based user, or a Mac user, heck, if you're a free BSD user, then simply just send off a request of what you can do on your system that I would not be able to accomplish using my Chromebook, and I will find a way to do it.